At Lakeland Hyundai, it's our 4th of July sales event. Get 0% financing for up to 5 years on our most popular models. And make no payments for 90 days. Drive home a 2025 Elantra for only $94 a month. Or take home a 2025 Tucson for just $199. Or a 2025 Santa Fe for only $259. Plus, every new Hyundai comes with a nationwide lifetime warranty and 3 years of complimentary maintenance. Now through 4th of July weekend. Only at LakelandHyundai.com. At Lakeland Ford, we're offering employee pricing now through 4th of July weekend. Buy new Fords for 0 down and make no payments until 2026. Drive an F-150 XLT Hybrid for only $429. Or a Bronco Sport Big Bend for just $299. Have a trade? We'll give you up to $5,000 over KBB on the spot. Plus, we'll give you a nationwide lifetime warranty with every new Ford. 4th of July savings. Only at LakelandFord.com. At Lakeland Hyundai, it's our 4th of July savings event. Drive home a 2025 Hyundai Elantra for only $94 a month. Or a 2025 Tucson for just $199 a month. Only at LakelandHyundai.com. At Lakeland Ford, we're giving active military and veterans an additional $1,000 rebate. Plus, drive home an F-150 XLT Hybrid for $429 or a Bronco Sport Big Bend for $299. From America, for America. Only at LakelandFord.com. At Lakeland Hyundai, it's our 4th of July savings event. Drive home a 2025 Hyundai Palisade for only $309 a month. Or a 2025 Kona for just $199 a month. Only at LakelandHyundai.com. At Lakeland Ford, it's our 4th of July savings event. 0 down delivers and make no payments till 2026. Drive an Escape Active for $369 or an Explorer Active for $399. Only at LakelandFord.com. At Lakeland Hyundai, it's our 4th of July savings event. Drive home a 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe for only $259 a month. Or get 0% financing for up to 5 years and no payments for 90 days. Only at LakelandHyundai.com.